What's up everybody? Right, so today we're continuing with our halftone but registered print. I'm Mike, this is my t-shirt printers, let's do this. Okay, so continuing on from the last episode, we've just got to finish up those screens, so I've just got to quickly check the tension on the screens to make sure the tension is held, and then trim off the excess mesh, degrease them, and get those screens on the press. Let's do this. Okay, so we're just going to leave the screens in the oven to make sure they're really nice and dry for this halftone print, so that when we come to expose the halftone print, those dots expose perfectly. This design is going to be a butt registered print. What a name, butt registered. The reason why we call it a butt registered print is because the colors basically butt up to one another. They don't overlap, or you don't have like a stroke overlapping the under base on top of your top layer of ink. So for instance, this particular print that we're doing has a white underbase, so white ink, and then we're going to be printing a yellow ink on top of it. But if I've got a little dot of a pixel or a halftone, that dot is going to be the exact same size on the underbase as it is going to be on the yellow ink that we're going to be putting on the top. And the reason why we put it in the underbase is so that we can get a really nice bright yellow. You don't want your dot to kind of overlap over your yellow. You don't want your yellow to overlap on your white, because you may end up with like a slightly blurred edge, especially when printing on black shirts like we're going to be printing now. You just want your dots to perfectly align, and then you've got a solid, strong yellow dot. Whilst we wait for the screens to dry, I'm just going to make sure my head's on a good neutral position or zeroed out. It just makes it easier to register that they're all in the same position. Okay, so let's get on with it. Okay, cool. So these screens are already nice and dry, so we just got to go and switch the compressor on so we can get our screens up onto the press, get the ink on, get the screens aligned. Show you how cool butt registration is when the underbase just meets perfectly underneath that top layer of ink. Right, carry on. Do a quick strike up here, just make sure that we're in line. Maybe have to make a few little adjustments. I say little, but you really ever know if it's going to be little? Never know. Perfect. Right, it's all lined up 100%. All those dots are just like, woo, perfect. Come and check it out. So you can see all these little dots going on over here. With this really half-toned, that's making this vintagey style print, but yet the dots are just perfectly aligned. You wouldn't even know there's white underneath that. That is just, whew, that's cool, man. That's really, really cool. I'm just gonna go grab the t-shirts and then get the shirts printing. Okay, so the pellets are warming up nicely here, just to make sure that we get that super smooth print. So I think we're about ready to start. Let's do this. Okay, spin out. Yeah. So I think we're coming up to about our last 10, which is good because my arms are tired. Okay, so I'm going to start wrapping it up from here. Thanks for watching today's episode, guys. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and all the other buttons. Thanks for watching again. I'll catch you on the next one.